How to create shipment plan on Amazon step-by-step guide. Creating a shipment plan on Amazon is a relatively simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Here's how you can create a shipment plan on Amazon. Step 1. Create a new shipment plan. To create a new shipment plan, log in to your Amazon seller account and click on the Inventory tab. From there, select Manage FBA Shipments, and then click on the Create Shipment Plan button. Step 2. Add products to your shipment plan. Once you have created a new shipment plan, you can start adding products to it. You can either add products individually or in bulk. To add products individually, simply search for the product in the search bar and then select it from the search results. To add products in bulk, you can use the Add Products via Upload feature. Step 3. Prepare your products for shipment. Before you can ship your products, you need to prepare them for shipment. This includes labeling your products with the correct FBA labels and packaging them securely. Amazon provides detailed instructions on how to label and package your products, so be sure to follow them carefully. Step 4. Create your shipment. Once your products are prepared for shipment, you can create your shipment. Amazon will provide you with a list of fulfillment centers to choose from. Simply select the fulfillment center that is closest to you and then choose your shipping method. Step 5. Print your labels and ship your products. After you have created your shipment, you will need to print your labels and ship your products to the selected fulfillment center. Amazon will provide you with the necessary labels and shipping instructions, so be sure to follow them carefully. In conclusion, creating a shipment plan on Amazon is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few steps. By following the steps outlined above, you can create a shipment plan and start shipping your products to Amazon's fulfillment centers with ease. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.